see the picture of it yet?
Yeah. Now show me.
And I'll show you how it sits.
Yeah.
Wait.
Alright.
You see
Try it again.
What?
Try it again.
You did see a picture of it sitting?
Yeah. Try it again.
Now ready?
Yep.
We sit. Can't sit there right now.
I am, honey. Good job.
You missed your mama.